Today we're in Florida and Hurricane Ian is brewing, and I had an aha teachable moment. Why not share a science activity with our children and show them a little bit about how a hurricane works? Welcome back, EdelKampers, to another teachable moment where we explore, experience, and educate together. For this experiment, all you need is a clear jar, some water, blue food coloring, and a spoon. First, you're going to pour into the clear jar water and fill it to almost the top. So next, you're going to take a spoon and you're going to stir the water until you get it spinning. Then place a few drops right in the center of the spin. Watch as the circulation in the water makes the food coloring in the center spin and swirl and looks like a hurricane over the ocean. Just like in real life hurricane, the outer bands of the hurricane are much weaker and represented by the lighter colors in the water. But close to the center, colors are much darker, representing the strongest part of the hurricane. The strongest wind of a hurricane can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour and are always in the eye wall of the hurricane that wraps around the center of the hurricane. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see more teachable moments, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode.